How can a beginner become a content writer? Where are the places where you can get jobs in content writing? We are going to cover everything from how to start to how to apply. Hey everyone, I'm Devanshi Sharda and you're watching Mithaas Services official YouTube channel. This video is for every writer who thinks, can I become a content writer? In our top trending comments and questions, we have received this one question 100 times. How can a beginner become a content writer? So here is a small video explaining what to do if you are absolutely new and a fresher in content writing and how to start your journey as a content writer. The first thing to keep in mind is that content writing and creative writing are two very different things. Content writing requires you to learn three main important things. One, understanding the client. Two, understanding the writing skill. And three, understanding what to write where. Once you get an understanding of these three things, it absolutely becomes easier for you to start working as a content writer. Let us assume that you are just out of college, absolutely fresh, you don't have any background in writing. How will you start? Here is a roadmap for you. The first step is to read content. What is content? Reading articles, blogs, social media posts, reading scripts, reading reels. Read and explore this industry as much as you can. Step number 2, if this interests you even a little bit, then start working to develop your skills. How can you develop your skills? By reading some very interesting books, by talking to content writers, by learning from the internet, and of course taking workshops and courses. In the past couple of months, we've got more than 100 people telling us that they have been placed after our courses and workshops. That gives us a lot of happiness. After this, once you have learned the skill, the next step is that you go out and apply. Now, where are the places where you can get jobs in content writing? There are different platforms like Internshala, Naukri.com, LinkedIn, Indeed, and many other profiles. You need to create your profile in a very strong manner and then look out for opportunities. Once you start learning, the rest of the journey becomes absolutely easy. In the 4-week content writing crash course, we are going to cover everything from how to start to how to apply. And of course, learning the skills of blogging, website content writing, instructional designing, so on and so forth. So if you are someone who really wants to start a career in content writing, join the 4-week content writing crash course right away. The link to it would be in the description somewhere. Check it out or just drop a comment so we can help you with the link. I'd just like to tell you one thing, that you can build a strong career in content writing. All you need is a strong skill set. So go out there, read, learn, and be a content writer. I'll see you very soon, and if you felt this video inspired you a little, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button. See you guys.